Tairoa, Tairoa.
Kia ora, Manu Walters, aka Dirty, aka Paru, aka Manu Too Much. I whakapapa to Far North, Ngāpuhi, Te Rarawa, Te Aupōuri, Ngāti Manu, and my mother's Welsh. Shout out to Wales, and you're watching Matariki music, Te Ara Hou.
Varanasi with some ghosts, bong lusty on the boat trip. Come home, hardly stay afloat. Broke, but I keep the something in the coat. Blob out, call me take a soak. Slow the sun down like Maori and his bros. Now my bowl. Told you about my day and how it go. 3 grand things blowing Buddha out the nose.
Matariki means to me as a Māori, you know, the new year, time to kind of look back on where you've been and what you've done, you know, and push forward as that. I think everyone should always strive to be doing something better or always to improve, and I think it's a good mark of time, you know what I mean, where it's like, okay, now you can look back and now this is a time frame and now you can go forward from there.
Air Force Ones, too powerful and fool, I fear no one. Who gonna pat that thing real or song still? Bipolar with the bank cards, like $9 in the bank.
I think Matariki is important to Aotearoa because, you know, it's a celebration that our people have celebrated before our written history, you know what I mean? It's something that's been there longer than us. You know, it's good to have a celebration as well in Aotearoa that's not surrounded by a lot of controversy, you know what I mean? You know, we got Waitangi Day and there's just so many different ways people can feel about that when that's being celebrated, but Matariki's just New Year's, man, just the stars, man. I think the more cultural traditions that we can kind of clutch onto and celebrate in the nation as a nation, this works better for everybody, you know what I mean?
People telling me the name don't stick, but my game's so slick. Been arguing with the same old chick about the same old. For what I spend, payroll don't stick and out. Hey, still.
My culture influences my art in the biggest ways and the smallest ways. I mean, in my art is hip hop and it's already a culture, right? And the biggest thing in hip hop is celebrating yourself almost, you know what I mean? And I love to reference little words and put little things in there, you know. As a lyricist, you know, using Māori, I'm super lucky, you know what I mean? I've got all these words that haven't been used before, so I can manipulate them in the ways that I want to, and it's always going to sound organic. I think being Māori's really help me with being able to do that, you know, give me a point of difference, but being able to fit in at the same time. I've been blessed with all this whole culture actually, you know what I mean, of things that hasn't been used before, and especially in hip hop, it's so important to be new.
Had to put the hands on some brothers over dumb stuff, and some stuff I keep it hush hush. Well, say I had to flush when they had the queen high. Say I had to slip when they threw the lead right. I'm saving up the debt, so I guess I'll say goodnight to a nightmare that I'll never make the flight.
Where do I see the future of Māori music? I don't know, man. Not knowing what could happen, you know, is the best part of it. You know, there could be no more Māori music forever. But it's like, obviously there won't be, you know, but then Māori music could be the big thing. But it's like, what defines Māori music as well? It's like, do I even make Māori music? It's like, I don't know. You know, I'm a Māori musician, I'm a Māori artist, but, you know. But yeah, in terms of the future, I think who knows? And that's the best part about it.
Yo, it's the same old shush.